What's going on, Riker owners? Have you ever got off your bike after a long ride and did this? Bought this comfort seat the other day because this stock seat just tore my ass up, and we rode probably 100 miles the other day, and after I got off that bike I couldn't hardly stand up. It was so painful. I don't know if it's got something to do with me being a big guy or what, but it was painful. I had to change my seat out on my Harley 4 years ago. I bought a Mustang seat, which was the best thing I ever did. We rode to St. Louis one time on this Harley, and it did the same thing to me. And I did a lot of research on that seat there that I bought for that bike. It's a Mustang seat, and that was the best investment I ever made for that bike. So hopefully I did the same thing for this bike. The passenger seat doesn't seem to bother my wife for right now. Probably going to end up changing that out later on if she shows any where she has a lot of pain with her backside too. But I just bought this passenger seat, so until she complains I'm not going to change it out. But as long as I'm riding this bike, I can't stand the pain. I had to change it out, and hopefully this will be a quick installation here. Probably won't be, because I never do anything easy. So hopefully it'll be an easy install. They should pop right off. You got to do one side at a time off this plate. Do the front side first. Just give a little pressure and pull. This one should do the same. That one popped. Do the other side now. Just pull under there where it's attached. Just pull. It'll pop just like that. There you go. Seal off. If you want to know what that is, that's a sensor. Found that out to let this know that there's a passenger. When these foot pegs go down, it will let you know there's a passenger on the back. Here's the comfort seat there. I think I paid $2.99 for it, which I don't think is bad. I think there's another seat out there called Corbin. Maybe they could customize the seat for you, but I wasn't going to pay $500 for a customized seat. But they did look good, the ones I did see. This should pop right on. Whether it does or not, it's got some clips right here on each side, the back. It should pop right in there. Press firmly on it, and you're on. And that's it. That's the easiest uninstall on this bike I've ever done. And I'll do a test ride on this probably shortly, let you know how good that is. Probably on another maybe ride video that I do. I'll just let you know on that one of those videos how it did. But I got to get on a good long ride before I really know. But it don't look too bad with the passenger seat. A little bit different. I may end up selling that passenger seat there and just go ahead and get the comfort seat for the wife too. And that's it for our installation video today. If you like this video, hit like. If not, hit dislike. If you got any comments, hit comment below this video. Rubber side get down, guys, and peace.